everybody. Today we're going to be swapping out my factory double din for a city radio. I'll show you what the benefits are here in a sec. The radio has aux and USB in. There is another version that actually has Bluetooth capability, so you can Bluetooth audio and do phone calls, but I didn't get that one. I just got this one because this is what was at the scrapyard and I got it for a good deal. If you have factory single din, then it's direct plug and play. If you have the double din like I have, it has this connector and you have to wire it up. There is a adapter harness you can buy online, but I'm just gonna cut and splice, look at a wiring diagram, go from there. Okay, so you're gonna need to find ignition on-off source and a dash light on-off source. So from the rear defrost switch, the little blue wire, the outside pin here, is dash lights, and then the first big one, which is that pin right there, is ignition on-off. So I'll run some wires down, solder them onto your harness, look at your wiring diagram, make sure you do it on the right wires, and you're almost ready to plug her in. All right, there it is, plugged in. It's not quite installed. I still have to hook up the antenna. Push power, it says safe. Then you can enter your code. Press the button. And there we have it. Volume down. See if we're gonna get a station without the antenna. Didn't think so. And it lights up properly. And we're all set. Just gotta do the antenna, and that's roughly how you do that. All right, so that's how you do that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hopefully you learned something, or learned something about a new radio that you didn't know was available, because I'm pretty sure it's a Canadian only radio. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you want, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.